that's what I'm showing them. Covered in snow over here. You can't see all the peaks. There's a lot of snow still up here. But we found the Santa Fe Trail. So we're gonna hike down it a little ways. We're parked at the visitor center and we saw a sign that said that this was, I think this is just a trail, but this is approximately where the Santa Fe Trail went. So we're gonna walk out here a little ways. This would have been kind of fun on our bikes, I think.
Well, you'll see pictures of rainstorm and a dust storm that came through.
And Kathy got some good pictures.
I got some good pictures.
She's learning how to edit her iPhone pictures.
All on my iPhone.
And she's starting to use them horizontal so I don't have to crop them in.
You don't need a fancy old big camera.
Excuse me, you're killing us pros.
This is great.
She's killing us pros. We're going to go right to the edge over here. It kind of goes downhill. It's facing west. They probably filled up their water barrels here on their...
I think the trail goes maybe over here.
You got any history?
Well, I really don't know. I need to read up on it.
Well, hello.
Hey.
We're going all the way up there. That's Pikes Peak behind us. We decided to take the car because the tram's run by a different company in Manitou Springs, so we're driving up there. Maybe later we will go and take the tram up too.
Well, if you come to get up here, it's $15 a person and then $2 a vehicle, so it was $32 for us. So we're gonna see what this is about.
We did it years ago when the kids were little. I don't remember how, middle school maybe?
I don't know, long time
ago. So we're going back up to the top. See you up there. I had to do a voiceover here because the audio was just too bad. We're at the top. There's still a lot of snow up there. It was chilly. I think the temperature was 52, but the wind chill factor was a lot higher. We're facing east here. This is a must-do if you've never been up Pikes Peak, but if you're scared of narrow mountain roads, maybe you ought to reconsider. Then we went up to the visitor center. Sorry about the background noise, but
Coffee at Pikes Peak.
$4 cup of coffee.
Cheers.
Cheers at the top of Pikes Peak. I haven't even tasted it.
It's like coffee. It tastes like it's good. Good coffee.
Good coffee.
For $4 a piece, it's good.
Yeah. You gotta have a coffee at the top of Pikes Peak. It's windy outside, so we probably couldn't hear us.
It's very hot.
Yes, it is hot. We're looking, I think, southwest, or I'm sorry, southeast right now. I am a little lightheaded.
Me too.
So we have our boost, but we're not going to use it. We're saving that for the incline, and then it looks intimidating, the incline.
Scary.
Yeah, I think we're committed though. We said we were going to try it, so if we can't make it, we can't make it. We going anywhere else today? Yeah. So tomorrow, maybe Garden of the Gods, Seven Falls, and then Monday, the incline. Another voiceover because of the wind. We're at the summit of Pikes Peak at 14,115 feet. It's the highest we've ever been. Kathy talks about you can't see the different peaks marked because of all the snow. Yeah, different points. Yeah. But if I turn the camera around,
but it's covered in snow.
Yeah, that's what I'm showing them. Covered in snow over here. You can't see all the peaks. There's a lot of snow still up here. So I wanted to show you the campground here at Manitou Springs. It's just a gravel parking lot. We're squeezed in here pretty tight. Smaller ones are over here. Here's where we are.
But this is what we have, this little creek. And there's apartments, busy road right there.